I decided to decorate my space with these beautiful broken mirror frames. So I'll take you through the entire process of cutting, installing, cleaning, and making this space like this. So this was the initial space, empty space, when I first did this review. The full video is right down on my channel. So if you think of a way to occupy or decorate your space like this broken mirror would be a good choice. So let's see how we had this installed. So I found this mirror cutting shop and I decided to give this guy the job. I already showed him a sample on what he should do, but although he hasn't done a job like this before, it wasn't really a hard nut for him to crack. When I got here, he was already done with the cutting and he labeled them according to how they should be installed on the board, in such that even though they are not the one installing, it will be very easy for you to just place them on the board. For this, I was labeled number 1 top. It simply means it will be the first glass mirror to be placed on the board from the top. So with this, it was quite easy. I also asked him to mark the board so that it will be very easy for us. Okay, so these were the samples of what he wanted us to do when we got to the board and when we got to installing. However, there were some that were missing, so we had to create them again. And the cutting was really simple. I even had to get a mirror cutter and almost all the tools, including sandpapers and all that. I'll probably be trying out some DIYs at home with them, and I hope you stay with me on here to see if I'll try or not. So I'm going to give you a breakdown on the cost of everything I spent in trying to make this decor. Initially, when I saw it and I liked it and I wanted to get it, and when I asked for the price, I was told it was about 400,000 naira, and least it can go for was about 350,000 naira. I actually liked it and I wanted to get it. Then I thought to myself, like, I can actually make this myself. So let me see how much I would spend by making it myself. Although I know I'm going to pass through some kind of stress by installing, but at the end of the day, I really didn't even pass through stress. But then let's see how this will go and how much we spent at the end of the day. So this is the board. It's a wooden board, and as you can see on the board, the marks have been made already and they've been labeled according to the numbers matching on the cut mirrors. I also bought some glue as recommended by the mirror guy, and he said it would hold the mirrors firm to the wood. So let's begin installation. The mirrors I used here are very thick mirrors. The edges are neatly cut and they've been sandpapered such that they cannot even cause a tear or a cut. So it's very safe. Even if you have a toddler in the house, the mirrors will still not cause a cut. So giving a breakdown of the cost, initially I said when I went to buy the already made one, I got it for about 400,000 naira, and the last asking price was 350,000 naira. So I decided to make this myself. So I actually got the mirror, a 6 by 4 sized mirror for 30,000 naira because I bought a thick one. If it was the lighter one, it would have been less than that. So after buying the 6 by 4 sized mirror for 30,000 naira, I got the board for about 19,000 naira to about 20,000 naira, and then I got the glue for about 2,000 naira or thereabout. I think that was all I got here, except for the guy who installed it. I had to pay a token. I can't really recall how much I gave to him at the end of the installation, but in all, the main money I spent there was the cutting of the mirror itself and the wood that I got. Now the mirror was 30,000 naira, the wood was about 19,000 naira to 20,000 naira, and the workmanship of the guy who cut the mirror I think was 10,000 naira. I believed I spent about 45,000 naira at the mirror place, and then the wood was about it was about 20,000 naira, and then the workmanship for this guy. So basically what I spent in all was about 70,000 naira, and I think that was really pretty fair compared to the price of the original mirror. Because I like DIYs, I really didn't see it as a big deal or stress at all. And I will also be bringing more DIYs to you here. Probably in another video, I'll be making a console with basic things in the house that would cost for a lot, because I also went to buy a console and I also got a price of around 400k and 350k. We are going to have fun while we create DIYs from random things and still make the house beautiful. That's the aim, right? Please, I hope you forgive my voice in this video. My voice is really cracked and this video has been for too long. I just have to do the voiceovers. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Support me by liking this video and sharing too. So we're done, we're almost done. It's remaining these little mirrors that needs to be fixed in between, and this guy really did a good job. So after it's done fixing all the mirrors, both big and small, I'm gonna hop on to cleaning. I made this DIY mirror cleaner in a previous video on this channel, and the mirror cleaner was really good at doing a good job on these new mirrors. It made it easy for me to really clean them and left them sparkling clean afterwards. So after cleaning, I'll just replace my flower vase, and that's all for setting my mirror on this space. My house is still looking very much empty, but I'm just going to be filling up the spaces little by little, and I hope that it's going to be worth it at the end of everything. So thank you so much for watching this video. Here is how the space looks like right now, and I absolutely love it. Catch you in my next video. Bye.